Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Fish Academy. It's your humble friend Kufre Ibanga Francis, founder First Fish Academy. Today's video is about this black box. This black box. The black box has been found. All right. So today happens to be the 19th day of January 2022. Everything went on fine. I was in my office, and then towards afternoon, I received a call from a logistic company, Ops Logistics. You understand? And they called me and said, "Come, you have something. You have something. All right, come, you have something. All right." And you know what? I tried to cross my head. Come on, what did I order from anywhere that's supposed to pass through Ops Logistics? I was expecting some things from one company, but not through Ops Logistics. And then they quickly say, "You have a parcel from YouTube." All right. So this is a parcel I got from YouTube, delivered all the way from Europe. All right. This is it. All right, I'm going to unbox this parcel. Let's see those things that are contained in this black box. Why did YouTube decided to put it in a black box and not red and white? All right, so I'm going to unbox this. Let's see those things that are inside. Okay? If it is something we need to rejoice over, then we will. All right? So I'm going to do this. All right. Wow. Okay, I think I'm seeing like three things in here. First, I'm sure there are other things under, but the first thing that I've just seen are three yet, and I'm going to bring them one after the other. The first thing here is a letter from YouTube. Wow, what have I done that YouTube have to give me a letter? Oh, let's read it. YouTube, some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far you've come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with a Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievements. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we will be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wusiki, CEO, YouTube. Wow, that's the letter I got. That's one of the things. That is the first thing I've just removed from this box. All right, so I'm going to keep this aside right now. Thank you very much. I've received your letter. Thank you very much. The second thing here is like, how is it like? It's like a business card. Let me check. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievements and what your experiences to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by risk. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any question, please contact us. Okay, I think these are information as regards the packaging of what is in here. All right. Okay, what I'm seeing here next is a wow. Is a wow. Is a wow. This is what I got here next, man. This is a call for celebration. This is something I've been longing for, man. Whoa. This call for celebration, and finally the arrival of my plug from YouTube. Okay, and guess what is written here? This is the back. You've not seen the front yet. I'm going to turn it so that you see what is written in front. It said, presented to First Fish Academy for passing 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, YouTube. I got this. I'm highly honored. All right, I'm highly honored, man. Oh, thank you very much. I don't know what to say right now, but I think with this, I dedicate this award to God Almighty. And then I dedicate this award to my parents, Evangelist Ibarra Francis Sumo, and my mother, Martha Ibarra Francis Sumo. I dedicate this award to my brother. I dedicate this award to my sisters. I dedicate this award to all my relatives. I dedicate this award to you, especially my viewer, not just my viewer. I dedicate this award to you, my subscriber, for subscribing to this channel, because if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I tell you, this that I'm holding in my hand right now wouldn't have come to me by any way. So I appreciate you for subscribing to this channel. All right. I don't even know what to say right now. I dedicate this award to my sister again, Etifran Skincare, who inspired me to start a YouTube channel. Oh, Etifran Skincare, all right? I'm going to drop her link. I dedicate this award to my friends. I dedicate this award to all my clients. I dedicate this award to all my customers. I dedicate this award to all of you. Okay, please, I'm so excited. Without you, this wouldn't have come to me. All right, thank you very much. Please, in case you've not subscribed yet, I think the next milestone, what I should be looking at right now, is a 1 million subscriber. Is that possible? Yeah, it's very, very possible. All right, it's very, very possible. I dedicate this award to Wudemaya. I dedicate this award to Mark Angel. All right, I dedicate this award to two of you and other YouTubers. I dedicate this award to, oh my God, I don't even know the people to mention. You guys are so many. I dedicate this award to India. India happens to be one of my, this is where I have, the highest number of views. I dedicate this award to India. I dedicate this award to Ghana. I dedicate this award to Nigeria. I dedicate this award to Europe, to America, Latin America, to China, to all the 7 continents of the world. I dedicate this award to you guys because you guys are amazing. All right. So in case this is the first time you are checking on this channel, this is not what we do here. I don't know how you will feel seeing this type of a video for the first time. Our videos is about fish farming. We train people on fish farming free of charge on this channel. All right, so please go check that out. Don't allow this to distract you in case this is the first time you are seeing videos on our channel. However, this should be like, let me go see what this guy used to do for YouTube to give him this plaque, this award. So you need to go check that out. And then if you have not subscribed, do well to hit the red subscribe button below this video to become a bona fide member of this channel. With you subscribing to this channel, I'm going to have something like this again I think that next time is going to be gold, no longer silver. This is a silver plug from YouTube. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm so happy. I don't know where I'm going to hang this. Oh my God. What do you think? What do you think was on your mind? Let's get what's on your mind on the comment section. All right, let's get what's on your mind on the comment section. What do you have to say? Do I deserve this award? Do I really deserve this award from YouTube?